What's up, guys? Today we're doing a full hands-on review of the Kizer Draca, designed by Mikey Carlson. And this is the S45VN Black PVD version with the aluminum and crystallized titanium handle. I picked this up from Lamnia. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to check it out. Let's get into it. First thing you notice is the look. Kizer calls these dragon scale inlays. And honestly, that's not just marketing fluff. The crystallized titanium has this blue-purple gradient that shifts depending on how light hits it. It's CNC machined, and the transition between the aluminum body and the titanium scales is seamless. No gaps, no mismatch. It genuinely looks like a collector's piece. And here's something I noticed when I was just sitting here looking at it from the side. The profile of this knife actually looks like a dragon. The blade is the head. That sheep's foot shape gives it this aggressive, angular snout. And the handle is the body, curved, scaled, tapering toward the tail. I don't know if Mikey Carlson intended that or if it's a happy accident, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. The name Draca, which is literally dragon in Latin, suddenly makes a lot more sense. The handle is curved. Intentionally so. Action. This runs a flipper with a liner lock. Not a button lock, not a frame lock. Liner lock. Clean deployment every time. The flipper tab is well positioned. The pivot is dialed in from the factory. Now let's check the lockup. Zero blade play. Lateral, nothing. Vertical, nothing. The liner lock engages solid. The release is smooth. This is a dependable EDC locker. Nothing fancy, nothing gimmicky, just reliable. The blade. Sheep's foot profile, flat grind. S45 VN steel at HRC 60 to 61. S45 VN is an upgraded version of S35 VN. Better carbide distribution, finer grain, which means improved edge retention and easier sharpening. The black PVD coating adds surface hardness, reduces glare, and gives extra corrosion resistance for harsh environments. Blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters, substantial but not a wedge. Let's get the real numbers, cutting edge. 8.5 centimeters. Full blade including the unsharpened ricasso, 9 centimeters, so just under 3.6 inches. Overall length open, 20.5 centimeters. That's just over 8 inches. Kizer's official spec is 8.11 inches. So we're right there. On the scale, 124 grams, 4.3 ounces. Official spec from Kizer is 4.36 ounces, so spot on. For a knife with a titanium clip and aluminum handle, that's a reasonable carry weight. Starting simple, regular paper, clean slice. Factory edge is sharp, coated paper now. More demanding. Still cuts well. The flat grind does its job here. It doesn't wedge, it slices through. And here's where I want to be upfront with you. Paper towel. Yeah, it pushes, it doesn't slice. Paper towel needs a refined, toothy edge to grab the fibers, and the factory edge on the PVD coating isn't there yet out of the box. Give this 15 to 20 minutes on a fine stone and it'll handle it. But stock, the kitchen paper wins. That's an honest result, not a deal breaker. So, the Kizer Draca. Mikey Carlson's design holds up. The dragon scale inlays are genuinely striking. The S45 VN steel is a legitimate choice for this price range. The liner lock is solid, and the ergonomics are better than they look on paper. The factory edge needs a touch-up for peak performance, but the foundation of this knife is excellent. If you're looking for something that works as well as it looks, whether that's on a display shelf or in your pocket, the Draca deserves a serious look. Link to Lamnia is in the description. Drop any questions below. See you in the next one.